How to date. Anyone can find dating to be challenging. There are many ways a pickup line or a first date might go wrong, regardless of whether you're outspoken and confident or hesitant and inexperienced. But don't let the prospect of failure scare you away. Dating can be a lot less intimidating and a lot more enjoyable if you carefully consider what you're looking for, pick a method of meeting people that feels comfortable, and show up as your best self on the first date and thereafter. You'll be happy you tried it even if you don't find the love of your life. 1. Decide whether you want a long-term commitment or a quick hookup. What qualities are you seeking in a partner? Do you want to fully immerse yourself in the now, or do you want to make a lifetime commitment? Overall, it's critical to be open and honest about where you stand so that you can determine if your date is on the same page. As a result, there will be less chance of misunderstandings or poor communication hurting both parties. 2. If you're having trouble meeting someone special in your social group, try apps or online dating. To find romantic partners, many people use services like Match or dating applications like OkCupid, Tinder, Hinge, Do or Bumble. Applications like this can introduce you to people you might not otherwise meet if you're having trouble finding possible dates among the people you know or frequently interact with. 3. If you choose online dating, choose the site that best suits you. It's crucial to select a website or app whose user population generally matches your preferences and purposes if you decide to create a profile on it. Any platform can be used to find a great partner, but many of them cater to a particular demographic with particular needs and wants. 4. If you prefer going out on the town, find a date at a pub or a club. You might meet a possible date at a busy pub or club if you feel confident and at ease going out. If you're searching for more commitment, keep in mind that many of these relationships end up being brief or sexual. 5. If you want to meet in person but are timid, ask a buddy to set you up. If the thought of meeting someone at a bar makes you nervous but you don't like dating apps, ask a friend to set you up with someone they believe would be a good fit for you. Since your friends are familiar with you well, it's likely that they will introduce you to someone you get along with. 6. Through events and activities, find dates with similar interests. Attending concerts by your favorite artists, joining a sports team, or enrolling in a new workout class at the gym are all great ways to meet possible partners. When you meet someone while participating in a certain activity, you can be sure that you have things in common and can go on dates in the future. Last but not least, and by far the most important thing, just do it. Have some fun and take care. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful